Hello, children. Children, have you ever seen a car from different angles? Have you wondered why, when you stand in different places, the car looks a little different? Why is that? This is where views come into play. Today, we are going on an exciting adventure to explore the magical world of views and also mirror halves. In this video, we will be learning the concepts of Chapter 1, Where to Look From, of our Math Magic book for Class 3. So let's get started with the concept of views. Views are like different ways of looking at something. Just like we have different angles for taking pictures, we have different views for objects too. First, let's talk about the side view. Imagine you are standing right next to a car. The side view of a car shows how it looks from the side. It gives you an idea of the car's length and height. You can see the shape of the car's body, the doors, the windows, and the wheels from this view. Now, let's move on to the front view. We can see the headlights, the windshield, and the bumper ready to protect the car in case of a bump. It's like looking into the car's face. It helps you recognize the car by its unique features. This is the front view. Next, we have the back view. Look at those tail lights glowing like red gems. We can even see the back window. It's like saying goodbye to the car as it zooms away into the distance. The back view helps you identify the car from behind. Moving on, let's take a look at the top view. Imagine you are a bird flying above a car. You can see the overall shape of the car, including the roof and windows. The top view of a car shows how it looks from above. Lastly, we have the bottom view. Imagine you are a little bug ready to explore the secret underside of a car. Crawl down to the ground and look up at the car from below. What do you see? You can see the parts that are hidden when you look at the car from top, such as number of pipes and complicated machinery. So students, now you know about these wonderful views from top to bottom, from side to side, as well as back to front. The next time you are observing something interesting, try looking at it from different views. You will be amazed at what new details you can discover. Now children, let's travel to the time when our homes are filled with sweets, decoration and lights. Do you know which festival I am talking about? Yes, Diwali. Do you remember what else do we do on Diwali? During Diwali, people decorate their homes with beautiful rangoli designs. Think of rangoli as a big, colorful welcome mat made of powder or colored rice. We can create all sorts of cool designs using different shapes like circles, flowers, and geometric patterns. It's like connecting the dots to make a beautiful picture. And guess what? Sometimes we can even use special tools like stencils or grids to make unique patterns. Playing around with shapes on a dotted grid helps us understand shapes and symmetry even better. These dot grids are easily available in the market. So my little artists, look at this dotted grid. Let's draw a few awesome designs together. Let's start with making a flower. Choose a dot near the center of the dot grid as the starting point. From this starting dot, draw a small circle or a dot to represent the center of the flower. From the center dot, Draw curved lines extending outwards like the letter C. These lines will form the petals of the flower. We will make 2 of each curved lines in such a manner that they face each other and their ends touches on the same dot. This gives us 1 petal. In this manner, we complete making our flower on the dot grid. Now again, using the dot grid, we will make a kite and a star in a similar way. Children, you try this for yourself. For reference, we have also shown on the screen as to how your dot grid will look like after drawing all these images. Students, what do you notice? Some lines are nice and straight, while others have a bit of a twist. Moving on, let's hear an exciting story about Ramu and Shamu. Ramu decided to play a little game with Shamu. He drew half of an object and challenged Shamu to complete the other half. Guess what? Shamu guessed it right. It was a butterfly, and he finished the drawing by adding the missing half. Ta-da! The picture is complete. The left side of the drawing is exactly the same as the right side. Symmetry is when something is exactly the same on both sides, like a perfect mirror image. But what is this mirror image? Don't worry, I will show you how it works. Look, I have drawn a strawberry here. I will fold the page into half so that only half the strawberry is seen. Now, watch the magic as I place this mirror next to it. It looks like a full strawberry now. When we talk about mirror halves, it means that one side of an object is a mirror image on the other side. They are like twins or best friends that look exactly alike. It's a special way to see symmetry. So, symmetry and mirror halves are all about things that are the same on both sides, just like looking in a mirror. Moving on, let's play a game. I will draw some pictures and you tell me which of them can be a mirror image. What is this? It is a triangle. By drawing a line like this, it is a mirror image, as the line is passing from the middle of the triangle in such a way that the left side is exactly the same as the right side. But if we draw a line like this on the triangle, then it is not a mirror image, as both sides are not equal. What do we see now? Can you guess which alphabet is this? Yes, it is the alphabet K. Drawing the line in this way, we get a mirror image. But if we draw a line like this, we will not get a mirror image. Now you tell me if the dotted line cuts the image into equal halves, that is, into a mirror image or not. What about this image? No! The way this dotted line cuts this image, it does not give us a mirror image. Did you get all the answers right? Amazing, children! I hope that you enjoyed playing this game and also understood the topic well. Let me tell you an interesting way to learn more with the EduRev app. Do you know that you can read the notes of this chapter and can also take the MCQ test with the EduRev app? And why should you do that? Tests in the EduRev app are like a game, and this can also help you become the topper of your class. And not just math, you also get courses for EVS, Science, English, Hindi, and all other subjects in the EduRev app. Go ahead and join the EduRev app to learn in the most interesting way. Thank you.